Hello lovely viewers. Welcome to Shri Square. I am Shri Vatsa and I am delighted to have you here for this awesome video. To solve the first layer of a 3x3 Rubik's Cube, you can follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Solving the cross. Start by choosing a color as the cross color. Let's say we choose white as the cross color. Look for the white edge pieces and place them in their correct positions on the first layer. This means matching the white center piece with the corresponding color on adjacent side pieces. Rotate the cube as needed to position the white edge pieces correctly. Once all 4 white edge pieces are correctly placed, you have successfully solved the cross. Step 2. Solving the corners. Look for the white corner pieces and place them in their correct positions on the first layer. This means matching the white color on each corner piece with the adjacent colors on the side pieces. Rotate the cube as needed to position the white corner pieces correctly. If a corner piece is in the correct position but needs to be twisted, hold the cube with the unsolved corner at the front right bottom position and perform the algorithm RDRD until the corner is correctly oriented. Repeat the process until all 4 white corner pieces are correctly placed. Step 3. Completing the first layer. Look for the remaining edge pieces of the first layer that match the adjacent colors on the side pieces. Rotate the cube as needed to position the edge pieces correctly. If an edge piece needs to be placed in a certain position but is oriented incorrectly, hold the cube with the unsolved edge at the front right position and perform the algorithm RUR until the edge is correctly oriented. Repeat the process until all 4 edge pieces of the first layer are correctly placed. Congratulations! You have now solved the first layer of the Rubik's Cube.